Hurricane Melissa is now in the Atlantic hurricane record books as one of the most powerful storms in the basin. There are two long-term factors that may have made that more likely and could continue to make it more likely in the future. Let's start with La Nina. We're in a weak La Nina pattern right now, and that's defined by cooler than normal water temperatures in the tropical eastern Pacific. Now, even though we define it in the Pacific, La Nina can still have impacts in the Atlantic basin as well. Primarily, it's a weakening of the upper level winds. We call them the trade winds that blow from east to west. When those winds are weaker, there is less wind shear. Wind shear can tear apart a hurricane as it tries to develop, but Melissa over the last few days had very weak wind shear. Climate change is the other factor. NOAA and NASA research show that 90% of the extra heat generated by excess greenhouse gases, well, that's absorbed by the oceans, not the atmosphere. So ocean temperatures are rising around the globe. Hurricanes feed on warm water. Typically anything above 80 degrees is prime fuel for those storms to really take off. But Melissa had water temperatures of 85 to 87 degrees, those temperatures 2 to 3 degrees warmer than the long-term average. Hurricane Melissa had both weak wind shear courtesy of La Nina and a lot of warm water, likely courtesy of climate change. But to be clear, those two factors on their own did not cause Hurricane Melissa. Storm would have likely formed anyway, but warmer ocean temperatures and warmer atmospheric temperatures, well, they both tip the scales in the direction of more rapidly intensifying hurricanes in the future. Be sure to follow my social media channels for more updates on how climate change impacts our weather patterns day to day.